You swapped the blower motor resistor on your Ford Escape, but the AC still refuses to blow air. The most common reason for this failed fix is a melted pigtail connector or a failing blower motor drawing too much electrical current. We will walk through exactly how to diagnose the wiring harness, test the motor, and finally get your climate control working again. The blower motor resistor rarely fails completely on its own. It usually dies because of excessive heat buildup in the electrical circuit. This heat travels straight into the plastic pigtail connector that plugs into the resistor. If you look closely at the original connector, you will likely see melted plastic or scorched metal terminals. If you install a brand new resistor into a melted wiring harness, the connection will fail instantly. You need to splice in a new pigtail connector to restore proper power flow. If your wiring looks perfect, the blower motor itself is the next culprit. As these motors age, their internal bearings dry out and create physical resistance. The motor requires significantly more electrical current to spin the fan cage. That massive amperage draw is exactly what burned out your original resistor. You can test this by applying direct battery power to the motor terminals. If the motor spins slowly, makes a grinding noise, or fails to spin at all, it must be replaced. The final step in this diagnostic process is checking the power distribution box. When the resistor or the motor fails, the resulting power surge often blows the dedicated climate control fuse. Check your owner's manual for the exact fuse location for your specific Ford Escape year. Inspect the fuse and swap the blower motor relay with an identical one from the fuse box, like the horn relay. Once you verify the fuse, relay, wiring, and motor, your AC will blow ice cold again.